Hello everyone and welcome. In the previous class we have studied about noun and pronoun. So in today's video we are going to start adjectives. You know adjectives. To know about adjectives, all thing about adjectives is very important if you want to be good in English, if you want to understand and speak good English. So adjectives are the words which add something to the noun. Means if I make it simple, then I will say adjectives are the words which clarifies or refers to noun. Means they add some extra thing to the noun. They add so that the adjective can be more important. So adjectives are the words which tell something extra about the noun. एडजेक्टिव्स वो वर्ड्स हैं जो नाउन्स में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन जोड़ देते हैं, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा उसके बारे में बताने लगते हैं. अगर कोई वर्ड एडजेक्टिव्स के बारे में नाउन के बारे में कोई एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ बताता है तो वह एडजेक्टिव है. So let's see first what are the positions of adjective, means where these adjectives are used. So these adjectives are used at two positions, two places, and if they are used before a noun they are called at the position of attribute. So they are said to be used as attributively, and if they are used after the noun they said to be used predicatively. So let's see both the position. First I will write this cup is very nice, and second one is this is a very nice cup. So I have used adjectives in two ways. Here you can say here and here. So in the first sentence I have used the adjective after the noun, means the noun is cup is noun and nice is adjective. So this adjective adds some extra information, adding some extra information, add something to this noun. So this is called adjective, but the position is after the noun, means at the place of predicate. This is called predicate. So it is used at the place of predicate. So it is said to be used as predicatively. मतलब ये कहा जाएगा अगर नाउन के बाद, और दूसरी तरीके से ये भी कह सकते हैं कि वर्ब के बाद प्रेडिकेट की पोजीशन पर ये है, इसीलिए हम इसे क्या कहते हैं, प्रेडिकेटिवली यूज हुआ है ये. लेकिन अगर नाउन के पहले है, नाउन के पहले आया हुआ है, if the adjective comes before a noun, in case a word that comes before a noun and tell us something extra about this noun, it is said to be called that it is used as attributively. ये कहा जाता है कि ये एट्रीब्यूटिवली यूज़ किया गया. तो इस पे दो पोजीशन है, फर्स्ट इज attribute position and second is predicate position. Now let's see how many type of adjectives are, means what type of information they gives about a noun. So I will write here a word. Let's take a word pen. I write here pen. Then I will add some adjectives which will add some extra information about the pen. So first I write here nice, so it becomes nice pen. Then I will say let me write here pen. I will write here few, so few pens. And in next I will write two, so it becomes two pens. And now I will write this pen. Again I will write my pen. And then I will write which pen. And again some pen, some pens, and each pen, and one more thing I can add here, Indian pen or British pen or Chinese pen, Indian pen. So you can see here, these are the words which have come before the noun, means they are attributively used and they are adding some extra information about these, about the noun or nouns. मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि ये जितने भी वर्ड्स मैंने यहाँ लिखे हैं जो पेन के पहले आए हुए हैं, वो कुछ ना कुछ एक्स्ट्रा बता रहे हैं पेन के बारे में, यानी नाम के बारे में, नाउन के बारे में. So they are telling some extra thing about these noun or nouns. So these are adjectives. इसे हम टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स में भी बांट सकते हैं. सो पहला जो होगा, फर्स्ट इज टेलिंग अबाउट द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ पेन, अबाउट द क्वालिटी ऑफ द पेन. सो इट विल बी कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. Now an adjective which tells about the quality of noun is called quality of adjective of quality. So it is telling the quality of the pen, so it will be called adjective of quality. And second phrase, few is telling about the quantity of the pen. About the quantity of the pens means how much or how many pens are there. So this is telling, this word is telling about the quantity of pen, so it will be called adjective of quantity, adjective of quantity. In the third phrase, third line, we can say there is a number, there is a number before the noun and it is telling how many pen. So this is called adjective of number, adjective of number, and it is this is indicating the pen. So we have discussed about this, that those in pronoun section, and I have told you that if they are used before a noun, they are demonstrative adjective, so they will be called demonstrative adjective. Remember one thing, if they are used as subject, they will be pronoun demonstrative pronoun, but if they are used before a noun, they will of course tell something about the noun, so they will be called demonstrative adjective. Many, my pen, and you know my is a possessive pronoun. My is a possessive pronoun. We have studied in the section of possessive pronoun that we have two type of possessive pronouns. One is my and second is mine. Mine is the pronoun. My is actually adjective, so it is possessive adjective. And now the next is which. So which is asking question. Very simple to understand what type of adjective is this. It is asking a question, which pen, this pen or that pen. So which pen is asking question, so it is called interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. And now one again some. Some is telling about indefinite number, indefinite quantity of pen, so it is called indefinite article. The next one is each. We have studied that we have distributive pronoun. So if these pronouns which are distributive, each, every, either, neither, if they are used before a noun, they will be called adjective. If they are used before a noun, they will be called adjective. One last. See, the last one is formed with the name of a country. India, from India, I wrote it Indian. So it is a proper noun. India is a proper noun. So I constructed this word by a name of proper noun, so it is proper adjective. It will be called proper adjective. So let me repeat it once again. Let understand in हिंदी. नाइस यहाँ पर आपको पेन के बारे में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा है और ये क्वालिटी बतला रहा है, तो क्वालिटी एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी है। फ्यू यहाँ पर कुछ उसके कितनी पेन है, क्या उसकी मात्रा है, वो बताना चाहता है, तो ये यहाँ पर एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी है। तीसरे फ्रेज में आप देख सकते हैं कि टू जो दिखा रहा है वो नंबर दिखा रहा है, सो इट विल बी कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर। फोर्थ में आप देख सकते हैं कि ये दिस जो है वो इशारा कर रहा है पेन की तरफ, तो दिस क्या कहलाएगा, डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव, क्योंकि डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट का मतलब क्या होता है, इशारा करना। अगले पे आप जाएंगे, मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि माई ये पॉसेसिव है और माई की दो शक्लें होती हैं, माई एंड माइन। तो मैंने वहाँ बताया था कि पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउंस आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स। फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ प्रोनाउंस आर एडजेक्टिव्स एंड सेकंड टाइप ऑफ प्रोनाउंस आर pronouns. Actually they are actually adjectives because they are used before a noun. ये हमेशा एक नाउन के पहले यूज़ होते हैं, तो नाउन के पहले जो भी यूज़ होगा वो नाउन के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ बताएगा, एक्स्ट्रा बताएगा, और एक्स्ट्रा बताने वाले को ही हम क्या कहते हैं, एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं। इन नेक्स्ट फ्रेज आप देख सकते हैं कि विच, ये विच वर्ड जो है एक क्वेश्चन कर रहा है, प्रश्न पूछ रहा है, तो ये प्रश्न पूछने की वजह से इसे हम क्या कहेंगे, इंट्रोगेटिव कहेंगे। अगले में हम देखते हैं सम पेन एक इंडेफिनिट नंबर को दिखाता है, तो ये क्या होगा, इंडेफिनिट एडजेक्टिव होगा। इस तरह से ईच डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता है, बांटता है चीज़ों को, इसलिए हम इसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रोनाउन कहेंगे। नेक्स्ट एंड लास्ट, ये इंडियन जो बना हुआ है, ये इंडिया एक प्रॉपर नाउन है, इंडिया से बना हुआ है, इसलिए प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव्स कहलाएगा। सो आज हमने देखा कि एडजेक्टिव्स क्या होते हैं, व्हाट आर द एडजेक्टिव्स एंड व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स। what are the positions where adjectives are used. So we have studied about there are two positions where adjectives are used. First position is attributive position and second position is predicative position. If adjectives are used before a noun, they will said to be called attributively used, and if the adjectives are used at the place of the predicate or after the noun, they will be called predicatively used. So we will discuss how some adjectives are formed in the next video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.